Dian Thomas finished her tour of Big Sky Country, but she had one more stop before heading home to Salt Lake City. Hi, Dian.
Hi.
Now, Dian, you have a soft place in your heart for Dutch ovens, don't you?
I do. It hooked me on outdoor camping and cooking. When I was a little kid, my dad used to bake sourdough biscuits in the Dutch oven, and I swear they were that high. We'd break them apart, put a little butter and honey on them, and we were hooked up in the mountains. So, Sarah, you can literally cook anything in a Dutch oven. This is what it looks like.
And this is also what started you in camping forever, right?
Forever.
Dian's father was a forest ranger growing up in the mountains.
We lived literally in the mountains. I still almost do.
So tell us why they work so well.
Well, they're heavy and they hold heat, so it's not something you're going to backpack with on a camping trip. But you can bake soufflés, you can bake pies, you can do anything in this. You put coals on the top and you put coals on the bottom, and they come in different sizes. So like if you're going to bake two things, you can even put one on top, and so the coals heat the bottom and the top. You see, and there's so many tricks to it, it's just fun. But
and
it's
it
easy
goes all the way through.
Yes.
Now, Dian has been judging in Logan, Utah for the past several years, the Dutch Oven Cook-Off, and you couldn't miss it this year.
No, well, I never have. 9 years. It's the World Dutch Oven Cook-Off. They have 45 dishes to taste. Each team of 15 does 3 different dishes, and they are unbelievable.
Well, let's take a look.
What's great about these Dutch ovens? Anything you could cook at home, you could cook in these pots in the great outdoors, and it'll even taste better.
15 teams are here to claim the right to be called the top Dutch oven chefs of the world. Their weapons, a main dish, a side dish or dessert, and a raised bread.
What's the hardest thing to learn in cooking in a Dutch oven?
Heat control, I think. You realize that after a while that you use a lot fewer briquettes than a lot of people think. I use maybe 12 to 14 at most on top and bottom to get an even 350-degree heat.
How long is it going to take you to bake this cake?
It'll take probably 25 to 30 minutes.
So it's the same as at home?
Same as at home. Now, this one we have a stuffed turkey.
How long will it take to cook it?
About the same as an oven at home, about 3.5 to 4 hours.
Since these are the top chefs in their field, I thought this would be a great time to get as many cooking tips as I could.
How are you getting the flavor into the meat?
Well, we use this injector like a giant syringe, and we've sucked up the lemon sauce and then injected it into the deep part of the muscle.
I'm marking my torque to see where I want to cut it because I'm going to split it into 3 layers.
Let me tell you something. When it's cold and windy and rainy, you put your water bottle up next to your bread dough and it'll still ride.
Time was running out. It wasn't only the food that was heating up.
Will you hold it? There is stuff on the bottom, dear. No, it's too late to be nervous.
Stress kills.
Each team parades their masterpieces, then offers a formal presentation to the judges. Scorecards were tabulated, and the results were in.
Okay, and the team you're waiting for, from Providence, Utah, Lance and Marilee Kingsford, team number 14.
I'm getting to have my own little taste test here. Macadamia nut pie.
Is that gorgeous?
Made in a Dutch oven. Look
Let's show you what it looks like in the Dutch oven if we can get a shot of that.
Isn't
that gorgeous?
wonderful? Oh, it's heavenly. Dian, thank you so much. This has really been fun.